Example 17.3 asks us to consider seeing something shiny at the bottom of some water in the Caribbean. And you think it might be a gold doubloon, so you'd like to go pick it up and take it home with you. So what you know is that your laser pointer is entering the water at an angle of 53 degrees with the normal, and you know that the water is 5.5 meters deep. We also know the n values for water and for air. So we're ready to use Snell's law. N sine of theta equals n sine of theta. So on the left, we have our situation of where the laser is coming from. This is the air. We know air has an n value of 1, and we know that that angle of entry was 53 degrees. And then it's going into water with an n value of 1.33, and we'd like to know theta. So this is actually a lot like what we just did with the water and the diamond in our last problem before. So we're going to take out our calculator, figure out what is the sine of 53 degrees. We have 0.799. Next, we divide over that 1.33. 0.6 it is. And then take the inverse sine. If you know your special right triangle rules, you already know the answer. 37 degrees. All right, now, that's helpful, but that's still not the answer. So we have to think about what's happening. So as the laser pointer enters the water, right, it makes this line down to the gold doubloon. And we know that it's 5.5 meters deep. So that means that this side of the triangle is 5.5 meters. Now the work that we just did, that 37 degrees, tells us about this angle right in there. But we want to know this guy. So if we know the adjacent side, we'd like to know the opposite side. Hopefully we're thinking about the relationship of tangent. So tangent of 37 degrees equals opposite, the x value we'd like to know, over the adjacent side, 5.5 meters. So we're going to go into our calculator and we're going to do the tangent of our answer. And then we're going to multiply it by 5.5. And that gives us 4.13. But we're not done, because the problem asks us how far is it from the end of the dock, but fortunately we know that our laser pointer entered the water 2.4 meters from the dock. So we can just take our answer and add in 2.4. So 6.53 is our answer.